How to edit Facebook page name. So hi guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Facebook application here in our mobile device. Click your profile icon in the upper right hand side, and in your menu section you can see the shortcuts. Click on pages, and after which choose the page that you want to change the name of. So for example, I'm gonna change the name of this page that I have right here. The next thing is to go to the settings icon in the upper right hand side and choose page info afterwards. Now we can see name here, click on it and simply enter or type in the name that you want to have for your store. So for example, I'm just gonna delete the space in Moonstar and hit on continue. Now, for this one, if you're requesting to change, it may take up to 3 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days. After which, if you approve to this one, request change and simply wait for Facebook to review your request. So that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.